Yeah, I'm so tired of fixing stuff in this house, but I guess that's what comes with being a homeowner. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm fixing right now. I am also in the process of renovating the bathroom upstairs, but our kitchen sink is broken. So let me show y'all how I'm gonna fix that. Okay, I'm under this kitchen sink and it's disgusting. We've only been living here for a year, and you can see we got nets down here, and it's really bad net infestation. I unscrewed this, the piece that goes there, like that. It's a part of the P-trap, and I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like as well. This was the old P-trap part of it anyway, and it's disgusting. It's chipped. It didn't have a sealer on it, so it was just leaking really bad. That's why I have this bucket here, and we've also been using this bucket to wash dishes. I'm gonna start off by using an isolating tool. I don't know what this bit is called, so don't ask. And of course it's the old one, and I bought a new one, and I bought the gasket that goes with it. I've already tried to see if this will cut it, and it did. So I measured it up, and I also put a little bit extra length on it for good measure.